Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Today we bring you steps for emergency shock absorber stabilization in 5 minutes. It's important to understand that a true shock absorber replacement is a complex mechanical job that cannot be safely or properly completed in 5 minutes. However, if you're on the side of the road and suspect a shock issue, what you're likely experiencing is a blown shock that has leaked fluid and lost pressure, potentially causing other parts to fail. The 5-minute fix in this scenario is a temporary emergency measure to get your vehicle to a repair shop safely. Identify the problem shock, push down on each corner of your vehicle and let go. The corner that continues to bounce up and down more than twice is the one with the failed shock. Compress the shock. Have a helper push down on that corner of the car to compress the shock absorber as much as possible. If you're alone, you can use a jack to lift the wheels slightly off the ground, which will allow the shock to extend, and then let the jack down quickly to compress it. Secure the shock. Wrap the protective rubber hose or rag around the middle of the shock's body tube. Slide the hose clamp over the rubber and position it firmly in the middle of the shock's body. Tighten the clamp as much as you possibly can. The goal is to physically prevent the shock from extending and collapsing, effectively turning it into a solid piece of metal for the short term. Test and drive cautiously. Lower the car and test the bounce. It should be significantly reduced but will feel extremely stiff. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.